Good morning, student. In class 3, we have started a new chapter, that is animals, birds. So today we are going to continue with the same chapter. We have already talked about the types of beaks, claws and feathers of the birds, food habits in birds. Now today we are dealing with nesting habits in birds. What do you mean by nest? Nest is a place where birds live, just like human beings live in a home or house. The same way birds also live and they make their own nest there where they live, lays eggs and take care of their young birds. Okay, so let's deal with the nesting of birds. Before starting the nesting of birds, I have given you homework to time to recall. That this is the fill in the blanks which I asked you to complete it at your home. Let's you people match the answer. I have given the answer here. You should match with your answer. The first question is eagle, hawk, owl have sharp and curved claws called what it's called? It's called talons. What it's called? Talons. What's the spelling of that? T-A-L-O-N-S. It is given here now. I have talked to you. What are talons? These are the sharp and curved claws. These are called talons. Okay. Now, what is the second question? Second question is duck and geese have dash feet which help them to swim. So, which type of feet the duck and geese have? They have webbed feet. What type of feet they are having? They are having a webbed feet. Okay. Now, question number 3. A/an dash is a running bird. It has very long and strong legs for running. So, which one is the answer? What is the answer? Ostrich. An ostrich is a running bird. It has very long and strong legs for running. Write the spelling now. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Now question number 4. Dash feathers help the birds to fly and change direction while flying. So we have already talked about the feathers. There are 3 different type of feathers. First one is flight feathers, body feathers and down feathers. So which feathers help birds to fly? Flight feathers. What it's called? Flight feathers. Okay. Question number 5. Dash feathers cover the complete body of the bird and give it a curved shape. Body feathers cover the complete body of the bird and give it a curved shape. Okay. Question number 6. Dash feathers are fluffy and keep the bird's body warm. Down feathers. What is called? Down feathers. So match your answer now. Ma'am already written the answer. You match the answer. I'm giving you 1 minute to match this answer and write the answers. Write in the book. Write in the book with your pencil. You have completed? If you have completed, then we will start nesting habits. Okay? Complete it fast. Okay. Now let's read about the nesting habits. What do you mean by nest? A nest is a home built by a bird. So just like human beings are having home, house, the same way birds also build their home, that is called nest. So birds build nest using leaves. So how come we make our home? With the help of bricks, cement, mud. This way we are making the home, right? Concrete, wood, this way. Now the same way birds also built their nest using leaves, straws, twigs, wool, cotton, threads. So these are the different type of goods or things which the birds build their nest. So they can be leaves, straws, twigs. Twigs किसको बोलते हैं? घास का छोटा छोटा तिनका होता है ना, उसको ट्विग बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Cotton, thread, etc. Okay. Birds make nest when they have to lay eggs. mostly birds they make their nest because they have to lay eggs. So when they are making nest, they most of the purpose is to lay eggs. Nest keep them and their young ones safe from enemies and bad weather. So what is the help, what is the use of nest? Nest use is to keep their young ones safe and from enemies and weather, bad weather, because if it is raining, the young ones will get killed. If it is enemies, they can be killed. So what the birds make, for that the birds make nest. Different birds make different type of nest. Just like the human beings, we are having different types of home. The same way the birds are also making different type of nest. Woodpecker. Woodpecker makes a deep hole inside trunk of the tree using its strong sharp teeth, sharp beak. It use this hole as nest and lines in which fine strip of woods. So what woodpecker they do in a trunk, they with their sharp and very strong beak, they make a hole in the tree. This is a tree and they make a hole in the tree. Okay, and they use they use the hole, they use the hole as their nest and lines, and there is a very fine strips of wood, they make a line of that. Okay. Bulbul. So bulbul make its nest in bushes. Mostly bulbul make their nest in bushes, in जो कटीला वाला जो bush झाड़ी होता ना, उसमें they make. The nest is shaped like a deep cup. It's look like a deep cup. The cup-shaped nest protect the eggs and the baby birds to keep them from falling out. So they are having like a big cup like. Okay. So the eggs are kept in the inside, and it will not protect the egg. It will not, the baby birds are they should not be falling out. Okay. So this is a nest of bulbul. There is another very interesting bird that is called tailor birds. The tailor bird sews leaves together with its sharp beak to make a nest. So just see, two leaves are there, and these birds what they just stitch two leaves and they make a nest. The bird stitches the leaves together using straw, threads and fill it with wool and grass. So what these birds do, they take two leaves, and two leaves they stitch, just like it's having two leaves is there, and what they do stitching part. Just I will show this tip. If it is a leaf, another leaf is this. So what does bird do, they stitch, and from back side also, so it become like this, and it's become like a cone shaped, and in the cone shape they fill it with cotton and wool. Okay, so this type of leaves they are stitching the leaves. Weaver birds, it's also very interesting. A weaver bird weaves its nest out of grass. So ये जैसे स्वेटर बनता है ना, the same way they weave it. वो वैसे बना देते, लंबा सा लटकता है, इनका लटकता हुआ रहता है, जैसे लगेगा एक बड़ा सा कपड़ा लटका हुआ है. The same way, fine strip of palm and banana leaves. The nest hang down from the branch of tree. An opening is left at the lower end for the parent bird to enter. The nest of the weaver bird is supposed to be the best and is used for decorative base. So most of इतना अच्छे से they stitch so nicely, they weave so nicely, it's even used for a decorative piece also. This is a hanging nest, and there is an opening in the nest. It will help the parent birds to go inside, and they use this nest, they make this nest mostly with strip of palm, banana leaves, like that. Okay. Now another bird is owl. An owl makes its nest in its hollow of tree or a hollow space in the wall. any hollow space in trees there, so owl make their nest. It is also used an old building for this purpose, so they use the old building also and hollow trees. Okay. Cuckoo. Cuckoo is कोयल. कोयल होता है ना, कुक्कू इसको बोलते हैं. A cuckoo actually do not make nest. कोयल अपना नेस्ट नहीं बनाती. It likes to lay eggs in the nest of other birds such as crow. तो crow is having their nest for their own eggs. So cuckoo क्या करती है, they give lay or lays their egg in the another bird's nest. Okay. A cuckoo goes to the nest of crow and break its few eggs of crow, lay its own egg there. The mother crow unknowingly hatches the eggs and feed the baby cuckoos along with her own babies, as they look quite alike. So the cuckoo is considered a clever bird. So there is a fact that mostly what cuckoo do when they had to lay eggs, they go to the nest of crow. They go to crow nest and they break some few eggs, and then they lays their own egg there. And just like the mother crow, unknowingly what mother crow do, they hatch the egg and feed the baby cuckoo also. So in the meantime, because both of the babies look alike, so when the cuckoo's babies become a little bit older, they flew back to cuckoo. Okay. Now we are going to do an activity. That is your homework. Okay. That is your homework. Draw nest of 2 birds in the box given below and name the birds. So what the nest you were going to make? You make a small nest, 2 birds nest, and what you will do? You will name the birds also. So any of the way you can make a woodpecker nest like, or a teller birds, or a weaver birds. Any nest you draw, two picture you have to draw, and along with that you have to write the name. So this is your homework, which I am going to post in the homework section of the dashboard. Okay children, so this portion we have completed, a nesting habit. Day after tomorrow, when you are getting the new video, we are going to complete this chapter. Okay, thank you very much. Revise this portion again at your home.